Hey guys, Bango 20 here and those fireworks. I'm going to pause the video and hope that they're going to blow more fireworks. Woo! Are they going to light another one? Let's just hope. Oh shoot. Woo! Yay! I don't think that was gonna happen. What took this all in the light? Woo! Woo! That was a Christmas color, I don't know why. Yay! Oh, this is gonna go on YouTube. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. This is gonna take a while. If you like this video, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And we are so close to 10 subscribers, so subscribe, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys next time. Oh, and Richard, if you're watching this video, I really hope I come the 4th of July to your house to celebrate 4th of July. So if you're watching this, Richard, I just hope I could come to your house and party there. If you like this video, leave a like and leave a comment. I said that like 4 times. Peace.